So, I want to welcome everybody today. We have some exciting news. The fact that we were just approved by TREC to be able to teach some continuing education courses. As a matter of fact, we got 5 that were approved, and we're extremely excited about being able to share with those.
First, let's start off with your favorite one.
My favorite, near and dear to my heart, is VA. So we have a 1-hour CE course talking about the VA loan, the process, what to expect, ways to fit different clients into the VA product. And so I'm very excited to be able to have that one available. I've already taught that one once. Had a lot of very positive feedback. So that one we're excited about for sure.
Absolutely. The second class, and this one's near and dear to my heart because the majority of the clients that I've served over my 11 years in this business, which is crazy,
I know, right?
has been first-time home buyers. I don't look it, and now I'm trying to grow something in to make me look older, Randy, but first-time home buyers. And so providing a class to realtors that equip them on maybe how best to provide that helping hand to folks who haven't bought a home before is really important. And so that's what that class is going to be centered around.
The third course that we have available is for condos. Yes. We have a lot of clients, located in the metroplexes, whether it's here in Dallas, down in Austin. I've had a few in Houston recently where we've had clients moving interested in condos, and those can be tricky. Knowing exactly what questions to ask, what you're looking for to be able to work through the qualification process, not so much for the borrower, but for the condo itself. And those are details that we wanted to get out to everyone.
Absolutely. The other class that we have too is on appraisals, and that's going to be a 2-hour credit. The condo also was a 2-hour credit. The appraisal class is going to be really important too, because if you've closed a real estate transaction and you've been in the business for a while, you've probably had an appraisal come in low once or twice. We're going to talk about how to approach a reconsideration of value, and also the mindset of how an appraiser thinks as they go out to complete the appraisal order, and how to also prep for that. If you happen to be representing the buyer or the seller, that's a very important class that you definitely shouldn't miss.
Another one of the courses that we had approved was for investors.
Yes.
And I can speak personally. I know that, people who are self-employed, just getting into the 1099 income or the self-employed income may not always fit in the box for traditional conventional FHA or VA loans.
Yep.
So we wanted to bring this product out and spotlight the ability for clients to be able to purchase homes. Just this past fall, I bought a home using a DSCR loan, which is debt service coverage ratio. And what it means is you're able to buy an investment property where they don't look at tax returns. They don't look at pay stubs. They simply look at what's the rental market for that property in alignment with what's the monthly payment.
Yes.
And that's where your debt to income comes from.
Absolutely.
So it makes it very easy, very smooth if you have clients who are looking to expand their portfolio.
Yeah. Another product we're going to be covering in that class too is the bank statement loan. So like what Randy was saying, this class is going to be covering products like DSCR and the bank statement. What's really important about the bank statement loan is instead of qualifying someone based off of their tax returns or their W-2s, we're going to be qualifying folks who are primarily self-employed, where they take advantage of all of the write-offs and deductions that they possibly can, and which is within their right and recommended to do so to lower their taxable income. This program's a phenomenal opportunity for those folks because we don't qualify you on what you pay your taxes on from your returns. We qualify you instead on your gross deposits into your business bank account over the last 12 months. Yes. And that opens up so many possibilities.
Right. As we sat down and we talked about, which programs or which courses we wanted to get approved, which ones were important to us, it's just very important to Andrew and I that we look at our business partners. What are some needs that they may have? Because we really want to be able to provide a service to be able to continue keeping you on the leading edge out there as you're working with your client.
So those are the 5 new awesome classes that Miramar Mortgage has been approved by TREC. And we are so excited because we feel it's going to equip the realtors coming to our classes to become the best agent that you possibly can as you look to grow your skill set and how you represent buyers and sellers in 2026.